Okay, I do want your thoughts on some more stocks, but let's get straight to that in a bit. Just hold on, Devin. Momentumizers is our segment that we're going to talk about right now, and Mangalam has a momentumizer on his list. Mangalam, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at Kitex Garments because yesterday, we did see a fair amount of action on that stock. It was up almost 14%. In fact, this week itself, Kitex Garments is up 18%, though it has been an underperformer. So the last couple of days is the time when we saw momentum building up, because this month it's up 3.5%, this year just about 3%. And from its 52-week high, the stock has actually corrected about 35% as well. Yesterday was important from a technical standpoint as well, because it crossed the 50-day moving average of 197, and it did so with a lot of volumes actually. Yesterday's volumes were 20 times what we've seen in the last 10 days on an average itself. And were they marked for delivery? A large part actually. Yesterday's delivery volumes were 2.5 lakh shares, and that compares with 3-month average of 40,000 shares too. What are the levels on the way up to watch? Now the stock is at around 200 rupees. 210 is where the 100-day moving average comes in, and 228 is where the 200-day moving average of the stock comes in. I was looking at the exchanges for any sort of notice, etc., that came in yesterday post-market. The company told the exchanges that insiders of the company, and this is regulatory, requirements from companies to do that. They've said that insiders are prohibited from trading from Jan 1st until 2 days after the third quarter earnings, and that's what usually regulations suggest for all the companies. So just before that, maybe some action taking place on the stocks. So put it on my Momentumizer.